Good morning, sir. Mohammed Hamza present.
Good morning, sir. Bhakti Khandeka present.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Atulya Sharma present.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yes. Have you completed question 4? Have you all completed it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone else? What about others?
Yes, sir. Question 4 is done.
Okay. So show me your graphs of question 4, all of you.
Sir, please see.
On your videos. Who is showing it? Abhiyan.
Sir, Bhakti. Sir, please see it.
Okay, very good. Abhiyan, thoda fast.
do not come, so I have only made till Saturday.
Just wait, just wait. Abhiyan, थोड़ा पास से दिखाओ अभियान. This is for which? This is third one or fourth one? Fourth one.
Fourth one, sir.
Okay.
Third one is done.
So have you done the labeling of question 4?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I can't see the labeling.
Question 4.
I can't see the labeling of question 4. Show it again. No, I'm not asking about the subparts.
Please see
So the
it.
graph. What have you written on a x-axis? What are these? These are days.
Sir,
And
on
what is-
first axis I have written x-axis and on second y-axis.
And y-axis, what is that? You have not done the labeling. You should write temperature on y-axis. Temperatures. What is that temperature? है क्या है? Let me see the question. Just wait.
Ma'am, sir, it's temperature only.
See, that's temperature.
Okay, so the temperature is. These are the temperatures, and these are the days. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Now I got it. So on the x-axis also you should write. You have written it. Very good. Days of the week. Correct. Okay.
Sir, please see mine.
Okay. So whose
Sir,
is this?
please see mine also.
Let me see whose name is written here. Bhakti, or I can see yours. Very good. Very nice.
Sir, I have done shading.
Achha, good. No problem. In shading also you can do shading, or if you want you can do coloring.
Sir, please look mine.
Aspa has done coloring. These are yellow and red. Which colors are these?
Sir, orange and red.
Orange and blue. मुझे कुछ अलग ही दिखता है यहाँ. Okay, very good. Aspa, you have written done the labeling. Days यहाँ पर लिखा है. On y-axis have you written temperature?
No, sir. Sir.
Right.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And anyone else showing it? कोई और बच्चा? Are you showing it? Okay, now let us discuss all the sub parts of question 4. First part, you can write the answers in the on the right side of your graph copies, or you can also write them in your maths notebooks. Wherever you like, you can write the answers. So first part, which day was the hottest? कौन सा डे हॉटेस्ट था? सबसे ज्यादा गर्मी किस दिन पड़ी है? हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर कहाँ दिखा आपको?
Sir, on Sunday. Sir, on
मंडे।
Monday 35 degrees.
Maximum temperature of Monday is 35. Okay, so that day was the hottest day. Maximum and minimum temperatures यहाँ पर दिख रहे हैं. So maximum on Monday was 35 and minimum was 22. So हम Monday को hottest day बोलेंगे because maximum was 35. Which day was the coldest? Minimum temperature.
Sir, what is the page number?
Friday. So Friday was the coldest day.
Friday
was the
18 degrees. Friday 18
Friday.
degrees.
Friday was the coldest because the minimum temperature was 18. Sorry? What are you saying?
Sir, what is the page number?
Page number 178. Page number 178. So answer of B part is Friday. Friday was the coldest. Okay, C part, on which day was the difference between maximum and minimum the most? कौन से डे पर मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम टेम्परेचर का डिफरेंस मोस्ट था? तो आपको सारे डेज का डिफरेंस निकालना पड़ेगा. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस ऑफ टेम्परेचर्स ऑन मंडे? मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम का डिफरेंस कितना है मंडे को?
35 degrees.
13 degrees. 13 35 minus 22 13 हो गया मंडे को. ट्यूसडे को कितना है? 11 डिग्री.
7 degrees.
11 32 minus 21. वेडनेसडे को कितना डिफरेंस है?
7 degrees.
7 डिग्रीज. थर्सडे को कितना है?
7 degrees.
7 degrees. Friday, what is the difference?
Sir, 7 degrees.
Again 7
7
degrees. Friday को भी 7 है. 25 minus 18, the difference is 7. Saturday, 29 minus 19,
10 degrees.
10
10
degrees.
degrees.
The difference is 10. Sunday को 33 minus 19. What is the difference?
Sir, 14
19. It is 14 degrees.
14 degrees.
कौन से डे पर डिफरेंस आपको सबसे ज्यादा दिख रहा है? Which day? The
Sir,
difference is
Sunday.
Sir, Monday. नहीं.
Sunday is the maximum difference.
Sunday.
Difference 14 degrees है Sunday. On Sunday, the difference of maximum and minimum temperature was the most. सबसे ज्यादा डिफरेंस मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर में संडे को दिख रहा है, which is 14 degrees. Okay. Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So D part of the question. What was the average maximum temperature of the? All these parts are to be done in the notebooks, whichever notebook you like. You can do them in your maths classwork notebook, or you can do them in your graph notebook also. Wherever you like, you can do them. I hope you can find the maximum, average of the maximum temperature. Can you find the average?
Yes, sir.
So add all the temperatures, maximum temperatures of all the days, and divide by 7 because there are 7 days. Find the difference. Find the average. D part भी करिए और E part भी करिए. Do them and tell me the answers after doing them.
Sir, I got the answer.
Okay, very good. Do the second part also.
Sir, second also done.
Second also done. Very good. Okay, then just wait. I will just check the answers. Okay, both the answers I will check. Just wait. Let everyone do.
So I have also find it first and second. So I have also find this first and second average.
Okay, beta. Okay, I will. We will just check all the answers. Just wait for some time.
Sir, please tell the correct answer.
Okay, now let us. I will do both the parts on the board and we will check your answers. Okay. How many of you have done? Ansh and Abhiyan have done.
Sir, I have done.
Sir, I have
Sir, I
also
have
done.
done. Sir, I have also done.
Sir, I have done.
Sir, I have. Sir, I have also done.
भरत ने कर लिया?
Sir, no.
Sir,
Aspa-
Bharat in.
Aspa has also done. Bhakti has done.
Sir, I have also
Ansh has
done.
done. Ansharya has done. Or
Sir, I have also done.
Mohammad Hamza has done. Very good. Okay, let's check. So D part, average of the maximum temperatures. So average of the maximum temperatures, 35 plus 32 plus 30. 35
Plus
plus
27
2 plus 30 plus 27, 25, 29, 27,
and 33.
25, 29 plus finally 33.
33.
Okay. So 35, 25, 60 हो गए, 27, 33, 60 हो गए, 60 plus 60 हो गए, आपके plus 30, 150 हो गया, 150 plus 61, that means 211. The sum is 211.
Yes, sir.
So 211.
211 आ रहा है ना
So
sum?
my answer is correct. So my answer is correct.
211.7. It is divisible by 7? No, it is not divisible by 7. So can you find the answer in decimal in this case? Have you all found the answer in decimal or you have left it in fraction? हाँ जी, डिवाइड करना आता है डेसिमल में?
Yes, sir, आता है.
Yes, sir. Sir, आता है.
Yes, sir.
So you have done it or not?
Sir, done.
We have
Sir, in
done
the
some
rough
decimal chapter.
7 to the 7 3 is 21. Sir, 7 3 is 21. 21 and 1 left.
So one when you copy.
Sir, 0. Remainder
Sir,
बचा.
है 0.
So लगेगा that
7 0 से 0. Remainder.
then
है. Sir, आपने.
is the remainder.
Sir, मैं point.
Then 4, 28 remainder is 2. So you can find your answer up to 2 decimal places only. So 30.14 degree. Okay, so this is your answer in 2 decimal places. Okay, 30.14 degrees. The answer is in 2 decimal places.
Sir, is 211 degrees correct?
The sum is 211. Is it correct? It is correct or not? 211. The sum
Yes,
is 211 or what?
Sir, it will be correct.
211.
35 plus 25 is 60. 33 plus 27 is 60. 60 plus 60 होगा 120 plus 30 होगा 150. ठीक है? Now 29 and 32. 29 and 32 is 61. Yeah, it is correct. 211 upon 7.
Okay, sir.
Ansh, what is your answer? What was your answer?
Sir, I have not done the decimal form first.
So you left it in fraction. In fraction, your answer was 211 upon 7.
Yes, sir.
Okay. किसी ने निकाला था आंसर डेसिमल में या नहीं? और you all left it in fraction?
Sir, I left in fraction only.
Okay.
सर मैंने निकाला था फ्रैक्शन में से मैंने डेसिमल में निकाला था.
Very good. So your answer was 30.14 only. Abhiyan. और कुछ गड़बड़ कर
No
दी?
sir, it was sir, it was 31. Sir, I have done till 30 and then 0.1. I have not done the 4.
Okay, so you found your answer in one decimal place. चलो कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. I will take it. Okay, next part of the question. E part, you have to find the average of minimum temperatures. चलिए, let me do it.
Sunday 140.
I hope you all have done this one.
Yes, sir.
The answer is of even Sunday 14 degree.
Sunday. बेटा average निकालना है E part में. What was the average minimum temperature of this week? Average minimum temperature निकालना. So minimum temperatures का average 22 plus 21. 22 plus 21
Plus 23.
22,
23.
20, 18.
Yes, sir.
23 plus 20 plus 18 plus
Answer 19 plus 19.
19, 19. 19 plus 19. Whole divided by 7.
7.
So 22 plus 19 plus 19 over 60. 60 plus 20 over 80. ऐसे नहीं करेंगे. 22 plus 18, 40. 21 plus 19, 40. 40 plus 40, 80 plus 20, 100. 100 plus 23 plus 19 plus 42. 142 is the sum. Am I right? सही है? देखिए.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sum is correct. 22 plus 18, 14. 21 plus 19, 40. 40 plus 40, 80. 80 plus 20, 100. 23 plus 19 is 42. 42, 142.7. Yes. So this is the sum. Now again, this is not divisible by 7. So again, you will find the answer in decimal. So,
This one I have already found in decimal.
okay. So 2 times 14 minus difference is 0. Then you copy down 2. 2 is smaller than 7. इसलिए यहाँ पे 0 लगा देंगे. Now, because you want to add another 0, so you will write a decimal here. So 20. Now 2, 14. 6 is the remainder. 0, 7, 8 are 7 8s are 56. Remainder 4. So 20.28 degrees.
Sir, my is correct. Sir, my answer is correct.
So my answer is also correct.
Very good. 20.28 degrees. This is the average. So it was a question of bar graph as well as a question of average. दोनों को mix कर दिया. Am I right?
And sir of decimal
Yes, sir.
also.
And decimals also. देखो ये एक और बात इसने बताई लड़के ने बिल्कुल अच्छी. Ansh is also.
Yes, sir.
It is a
Yes, sir.
combination of 3 chapters. Bar graphs, average, and decimals, and
And
all
decimal.
the three chapters are in your syllabus this year.
And sir, chapter lines also.
Lines कैसे?
So fractions. So
So
fractions
lines and
also.
coordinates.
Yes.
So fractions.
Fraction is also there. Yes. Little bit of use of fraction also. So it is a combination of lot of chapters.
Lines. Sir, curved lines, vertical and horizontal. That is also a chapter in our book.
Uh-huh. बार ग्राफ बनाने के लिए लाइंस का यूज करा, दैट इज व्हाई यू आर सेइंग.
Yes, sir.
ओके. तो ऐसे तो बहुत सारी चीजें यूज हो रही हैं. एडिशन भी तो यूज हो रहा है मैथ्स में, एडिशन भी तो पढ़ा है हमने.
Sir, addition
Yes,
is
sir. All
very,
things
very
are in
old.
bar graph.
Everywhere these basic chapters are all used everywhere. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, everywhere in maths you use these things.
Yes,
And
sir.
sir, in graphs also percentage is also used.
Yes. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. In question number 5, you just have to look at the graph given. Graph यहाँ पर given है. You just have to look at it and answer the following questions. And now in question 5 and 6, you don't have to make any graph. These are the last two questions of this chapter. How much time is left? Let's hope we can complete question 5 and
So we have to make the graph.
No, you don't have to make it.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, question 5 and 6 we have to do in book or copy?
You do it in your notebook. Either
Sir,
math
can we do
or
it in book?
if it is not required to calculate anything, like in question 4 there was a little bit of calculation also, so that this thing you cannot do in your book. So अगर यहाँ पर calculation नहीं है, then you can do it in book only.
Let's see.
Let's see.
So let's see how.
If it is required to do any calculation, we have to do it in the copies otherwise. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We don't have to make any graph in the two questions, in the last two questions. Okay. Okay, next, first question of question 5, first part. Look at the graph of the number of children absent on each day during a week. Each unit of this graph stands for 5 children. Answer the question. So first of all, let us read the graph. Graph ko pehle samajhte hain. What is this all about? The graph is showing number of children who were absent on a particular day of the week. So can you tell me on Monday how many children were absent on Monday?
One.
Look at the graph.
5.
5 नहीं, Monday को देखिए.
Sorry, sir, 10. 10.
Yeah, on Monday 10 children were absent. 5 plus 5, one block is representing 5 children. तो यहाँ पर 2 blocks में color किया हुआ है. Am I right? 2
Yes,
blocks
sir.
में blue color करा हुआ है. So that means 10 children were absent on Monday. On Tuesday, how many were absent?
Sir, 5.
5 only. Friday को बताइए how many were absent on Friday?
Sir, 20.
20. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So 20. Okay. Now let us answer the questions which are related to this. First part. How many children were absent on Tuesday? Tell me.
Sir, 5.
How many were absent?
Sir, 5 students.
5 students were absent on Tuesday. Okay. Next one. How many students, how many more children were absent on Friday than on Wednesday? Compare them, Friday and Wednesday. So you have to find the difference of number of students absent on Friday
Sir,
and number
20.
of students absent on Wednesday. The difference निकालना
Sir,
है.
because in Wednesday they were not,
No one was absent.
not
All were present.
children absent.
Yes, sir.
So on Friday, how many children, like on Friday they were 20, so we will write 20.
Yeah.
Because sir,
20.
in Wednesday there were no children.
No one was absent. So 20 on Friday and 0 on Wednesday. Therefore, the difference is 20. 20 minus 0 is equal to 20. Write down the answer. You can do this in the book only. So all the parts we can do in the book. Question 5 मैंने देख लिए. C part of the question. On which day were the least children absent? On which day were the
Tuesday.
least children absent?
Tuesday.
On Tuesday, the least number of children were absent. How many? Nahi, Tuesday, nahi, Wednesday. Why Tuesday?
Yes, sir, Wednesday.
So Wednesday.
Because on Wednesday there was 0. All were present. So answer is 0. So answer is Wednesday. Okay. Because all were present, no one was absent. So answer is
Yes, sir.
Wednesday. Last part of the question. On which day were the most children absent? Which day of the week?
Friday. Friday.
And how many? How many on Friday? 20.
20.
Yes,
Yeah.
Saturday.
20 Friday. Okay. Saturday किसने बोला?
Sir, yes, ठीक है.
That's for 25 and
हैं?
Sir, too late old, sir, I think.
Yes, sir, yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, Atulya.
Saturday को क्या 25 absent है Saturday को?
Sir, there is no Saturday in
यहाँ
our.
पर
Yes,
बेटा
sir. Saturday is not
Yes,
given
sir,
on.
there is not there. Saturday is not there. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday is there.
that
Not
is why
Friday.
he's saying that all were absent on Saturday.
Sir, how
Saturday
much
is
time
a
is it
holiday.
left?
On Saturday is a holiday.
Bhakti beta, that's your younger sister or your elder sister?
What, sir?
That's your younger sister or your elder sister?
Elder.
Elder sister. The one which is in GRN.
No, sir, not. Sir, she is in our school 7th, in 6th class.
6th class. What is her name?
Sir, Vrinda Khandelwal.
She's in our school only.
Yes,
How many
sir.
sisters do you have? You have a lot of sisters. How many sisters are there?
Sir, in my home, the full family members are 18 and children are 9.
9 children are living at your home. Very good, beta. It is a joint
No,
family.
the cousins. Yes, sir. Joint cousins.
No,
Sir, me and Stuti Khandelwal are the real sister or our cousin.
Acha, others are cousins. So total 9
Yes, sir.
children are there and 9 elders are there.
Yes, sir. Sir,
And-
joining me
I
also.
thought-
So how many of these 9 are studying in SR?
Sir, 4.
4 are studying in SR. You, your sister, and the one who is sitting besides you, and who else? One more is left.
No, sir, 5.
5.
Sir, joining me 5.
2 are left. Who are the 2 who are left?
Sir, Akshat Khandelwal in 7th and Vrinda Khandelwal in 6th, me in 5th, Dakshita Khandelwal in 2nd. Sorry, sir, Akshat Khandelwal in 7th or sir, Stuti Khandelwal in 3rd.
Third.
And there is one more brother, a younger brother, he is in child care. So,
And how many brothers and how many sisters are there in your home?
brothers 2, joining me 7.
Sisters are 7.
Sisters.
Brothers are 2 only.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Acha.
sir.
So girls are winning the race. 7 is
Yes,
to 2
sir.
is the ratio.
Yes,
अरे
sir.
वाह, बहुत अच्छी बात है. So I really I was also earlier I was also living in a joint family. I really miss living in a joint family. It's very good when you live in a joint family. You enjoy a lot.
Yes, sir.